So hey everyone, I was just going to tell you about what is in my tank. Sorry if you can not hear me very well with the fan behind me. Anyways, we'll start with the fish. I have 4 blood parrots. There's one hanging upside down right there. Let's see where the other 3 have gone. They generally hide. Okay, yep. There's 2 of them. I have a new decoration in the tank that's a chopper over here. That a lot of times I'll find a parrot inside there. So then I also have a bunch of mystery snails of many colors. Yellow, magenta. It's feeding time, so the tank's a little hairy. Here's a giant mystery snail. And then over here I have Buenos Aires tetras, and I also have another kind of tetra, but I cannot think of their name. They're right there, the gray blacktail. Oh, he disappeared. There's one. This is my very first parrot. As you can see, blood parrots are kind of shy, but it takes a little time for them to come out of their shells. These ones, I believe, are exhibiting some mating behavior way back there. It's hard to see them. Let's see. They're hiding. One appears to be pregnant, and the other one's guarding quite a bit. So then I also have some Japanese trapdoor snails. Let me see if I can find some. Oh, yep, right up front. There's a baby. Let's see if I can focus it on it. It's not wanting to focus. Okay. And then in the far corner, or towards the middle corner, I guess right there, that's a cappuccino snail. I have 2 of those. One is probably hiding somewhere in here. I love when the parrots hang upside down. So I do a bare bottom tank just because I believe it's easier to maintain. The snail food that I feed does leave a lot of debris. It's actually calcium that's been ground up. So my tank is actually clean, believe it or not. It's just feeding time. And I run 3 sponge filters. You'll see one in the corner, one right there, and then and then a intake sponge on my marine land canister pump. Then I also run, well, the lids are covering it, but a marine land 350, I believe, bio wheel. And I also have a little, probably 30 or 40 gallon hang on the back filter coming in as well, just for extra filtration. So there's a bunch of snails over there feeding. Can't get any of my blood parrots to come out. Let's see if I can. Well, there's one. Another 2 are hiding. Let's see, I guess that's about it. Here's a big snail taking off on the chopper. Oh, he's gonna go down. He's gonna fall. Here he goes. Oh, buddy, come on. No, oh. Oh, bear almost fell off. No, it's on this glass. I've scrubbed it. It must be hard water. I do use hard water for my snails since they need a high GH and KH. So I actually use sump water. There's a tube or a hose that comes in through the sump, and I use that. It's worked out well so far. Everybody's shells are nice and hardy. I do have some baby mystery snails up here that are in their breeders growing out, as well as in this breeder. And then there is a big jade snail. And there's our Mount Rushmore. Alright, so that's what's in this tank. There's about 9 occupants of fish and then 1 trillion snails. And that's it for tonight. Happy Friday.